They called it the big store. The Wells Brothers store was the largest in Meeker County at the turn of the century. In 1894, 2 years after Richard Welch built this commercial block, Alpheus and Alfred Wells acquired an interest in the property and opened their store. Inside, you could get everything that you needed within 4 departments, with a staff of 10 clerks: shoes, clothing, dry goods, including dress fabrics, and groceries. The brothers expanded to other cities, eventually having 6 stores throughout western Minnesota. And then, in 1908, disaster struck as a fire swept through the building. A local newspaper reported, "Viewed the day after, the wreck shows the first floor of the clothing department store gone, and that on the second floor over the dry goods, grocery, and shoe department, there is little left of the partitions and roof, though the first and second floors are intact. Of course, water poured through everywhere as through a sieve." The Wells brothers reopened the store, and only 2 weeks later held a fire sale of water-damaged goods. The Independent Review said, "The Wells Brothers store has been the mecca for bargain hunters since the first of the week. The sale opened Monday with a rush, people coming from far and near, some as far west as from Morris. Indeed, the crush was so great on Monday that it was necessary at times to lock the doors in order to give both the large force of clerks and customers an opportunity to close sales." The Wells store remained open until 1917, when they sold it to the Greenbergs. Many now will remember it as Greep's Clothing Store. Just to the east on Depot Street is another building erected by Richard Welch in 1906. You'll see the name inscribed above the entrance. This was the home of Litchfield's telephone exchange, which remained here until 1957.